Oh baby, I got one of my traditionally favorite products of the year. I really have always liked Rookies and Stars. It reminds me of Rookies and Stars baseball from the 90s, when it was just and football, when just there were different years just had tons of good rookies, and seriously, you weren't even really going for hits, you were just looking for those good rookie cards. And it's just always, I've just always had a soft spot for it. You know, it's been in the past where they've done it just retail exclusive. 2015 is still fun to open, where you just get a couple of packs and a bunch of hits, but I'm glad to see it like this. 2 autos, 2 mem. There's only 6 packs per box, but you get 10 cards in each pack, so I was pretty excited to see that this had hit the market, and I actually have another box of it on the way, so you guys look out for that video to be posted soon too. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, here's our packs. I guess we'll just start at the top. Let's see what these base cards look like. It's funny, they kind of remind me of the 90s. There's Clowney. Oh lord, it's gonna be flip all the cards over day. Beasley, Adams, Kerryon Johnson, jersey, year 1. It's a good player to get, not numbered. Action packed Mahomes. Standing ovation Flacco. We'll get a lot of inserts here, so this might take a minute. Star-studded Garoppolo. Ooh, stellar rookies Bradley Chubb. It's a good looking. Oh my gosh, it's numbered out of 5. 5 out of 5. Holy smokes. Now of course I'm about to drop it because that's what I do. So let me just set it down. Although this is a chrome card, it will hold up better to me dropping it than other cards that I've dropped. Tremaine Edmonds rookie and Josh Allen rookie. So it looks like you may get 2 rookies per pack. Let's see. Yeah, that Chubb is a nice pull. Tannehill, Le'Veon Bell, Aaron Donald. Here's another numbered card. Lorenzo Carter True Blue, 49 out of 49. Sweet. Precision Passers, Stafford. Touchdown Club, Stafford. Matt Ryan, action packed. Standing ovation, Von Miller. Justin Reed, rookie, and Darius Scott's rookie. So yeah, 2 rookies per pack, 2 base rookies. Moving on, pack number 3. Corey Davis, Bosa, Hearns. We got a redemption, and it is Baker Mayfield Crusade signatures. Wow, what a box. Sam Darnold rookie rush. Precision Passers Drew Brees. Touchdown Club Marvin Jones Jr. Robbie Anderson action packed, Ian Thomas, and Jaleel Scott. Let's just revisit this. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's pretty good. Really happy about that. I only wish I could have it in hand. Ugh. Waiting on Panini, I could freaking grow old. Alright. Lawrence Taylor, numbered out of 99. Great American Treasures jersey. Little vet action there. Standing ovation, Andrew Luck. Star-studded Drew Brees. Precision Passers Baker Mayfield. Great American Heroes Teddy Bruschi. And that is numbered out of number 1 out of 85. Sweet. Duke Dawson and Kerryon Johnson. Devonta Freeman, Aaron Rodgers, Benjamin, Saquon, True Blue, rookie out of 49. This box has been ridiculously good. Wow. Dang. Evan Ingram, Touchdown Club. Action-packed Roethlisberger. Standing Ovation, Tom Brady. Rookie Rush, Josh Rosen. Mark Andrews, Mark Walton. Last pack, and are we due another hit? Aren't we due another autograph? I think so. We got the redemption. 2 jerseys. I think we're doing auto here. I think. Although I see something. What is this? It looks like we've got a 1 of 1 on top of everything else. Sweet Lord. Cortland Sutton autograph. It's a gorgeous card. I'm trying to make sure it's not beat up. Yeah, the corner. Yeah, it looks alright. See if it, and it's numbered. Oh my gosh, it's numbered out of 10. I just thought I saw some number 5 out of 10. What in the world? And then, if that wasn't enough, here's a Kirk Cousins magenta printing plate. Wow. I love that you can see how used it is. That is, to me, that makes it awesome. You can see it scratched up back here. That's, wow. Okay. Sam Darnold, Precision Passers. Le'Veon Bell, Touchdown Club. Blake Bortles, Action Packed. Carson Wentz, Standing Ovation. Watts and Davenport rookies. I don't even know what to say. That box was ridiculously good. I mean, I'm a little dumbfounded. I've got another one on the way. I don't know if it could be as good as this, but I guess we'll see when it gets here. Hopefully it gets here soon. If this product's delivering like this, it's gonna be one of the, I mean, it may come here in at the end of the year and kind of like take top honors for one of the best boxes of this type. I don't know. It just did me well. It just hugged me and cuddled me and kissed me good. So I don't know. Whew. Alright, thanks for watching. I will be back soon.